Very sad note. 2 persons sustained machete wounds when supporters of the NDC and the NPP engaged in a free-for-all fight at Alaba in Kumasi over the management of a lorry terminal. The police have since taken over the lorry station.
The free fight broke out when persons suspected to be NPP supporters attempted to take over management of the lorry station. 2 persons believed to be supporters of the NDC were injured in the ensuing clashes. The police fired several warning shots to disperse the feuding groups. The NPP faction claimed its members were in charge of the lorry station but were driven away by supporters of the NDC in 2009 when it assumed power.
We are working here, we are not working for MPP, NDC. We are just working NDC Day, MPP Day, and we are working together. And 2009, and when NDC came to the power, and we are standing here working, the NDC people came here say we should leave the station. Their party comes for the power, so they will allow we MPP boys to work here, and they beat us here. We go to police station, BNI, anywhere we go.
This matter is a simple matter. We are working 8 years. They are working 8 years. We are lasting for 8 years. They should go to opposition. Now there is not power sharing.
The injured were sent to the Mensah Government Hospital.
Very sad. The president has condemned these things and directed the police to deal with it. We hope to see some action taken.
Absolutely, Alfred.